Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix messages stuck on sent not delivered. First of all, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then reset the conversation thread. Next, go ahead and open your app store, search for Messenger, and then make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Next you're going to restart your iPhone. Click the power plus volume button together and then slide to power off. Safety tip: do not resend sensitive messages many times. Quick fix: ask the person to check their connection, and that's it.